Hello beautiful divas. Today I will show you some exclusive designer salwar kameez. The first salwar, it's a material only. You have to stitch it. The length of the kameez is 2.5 meter. The length of the kameez is 2.5 meter. And the material is very soft and comfortable, wrinkle-free cotton. Okay, this is the front. This design is same as I am wearing, and these two butterfly will come in the sleeve. And the price is 1100. The second one is a beautiful onion pink. The material is same, pure, soft, wrinkle-free cotton. It's a beautiful smart design, and this will come in the sleeve. The length of the material is 2.5 meter. This is a navy blue, and this is the kameez material. You will get only kameez out of it. The length of the material is 2.5 meter, and this is the sleeve. The full length of the kameez you can make into 45 inch. Okay, the full length of the kameez will be 45 inch. Check this design. It's a beautiful black with gold. And the price goes 1800. The price goes 1800. It's an intricate embroidery. The material is same, wrinkle-free cotton, very soft. You no need to iron it or press it. Just wash and wear. The price goes, the last one, black, is 1800. Now comes one mustard yellow. And price is same, 1800. 2.5 meter length of the fabric, total fabric, and the sleeve design. See, it's a royal blue. Check the katha embroidery how we have done. It's a fully katha embroidery, and the material is wrinkle-free, lazy-busy, soft cotton. All are katha stitch. This is the sleeve portion. Price is 1100, and the length of the material is same, 2.5 meter, and the width is 36 inch. 3/4 sleeve you can make out of it. Now another katha stitch kameez material. Price is 1100. The price is 1100. See, it's also a royal blue, a pretty royal blue. Fully katha embroidery. All designs are very exclusive, very unique. You will hardly find anywhere, and you can wash it at home. But do it very carefully, because all are hand stitch. So we prefer dry cleaning. See, the material is wrinkle free, easy cotton. This is the sleeve. Length of the fabric is 2.5 meter, and the price is 1100. Now comes another onion pink. It's a very pretty color, very sober. See, fully katha embroidery kameez material, fully katha embroidery kameez material. Very smart piece, very unique piece. Exclusively only on Nakshi Kantha. The price is 1100. This is also a smart piece. A jet black, pure black Very smart combination. Price is 1100. Fully kantha embroidery. Check the design. It's very smart design. This to come in the sleeve. Same material is wrinkle free pure cotton. Easy cotton. Another maroon with the same design, with the leaf design. Price is 1100. The length of the fabric is 2.5 meter and the width is 36 inch. Price is 1100. Fully kantha embroidery kameez material. It's very nice and very gorgeous once you make it. Not pure cotton. It's easy cotton, wrinkle free. It's a rich fabric. You can wear in any party or any occasion. The fall is very nice. The fall of the fabric is very nice. See, fully kantha embroidery. Close up. Check the design. I am showing you in close up. The length of the fabric is 2.5 meter and this is the sleeve design. This portion you will get on each kameez. You can make like this. You can make like this. Okay. And now comes one red, one pretty red. See how gorgeous the color combination is. Price is same 1100, 2.5 meter, easy wrinkle free wash and wear fabric with 36 inch width. And another all over work, kantha embroidery, kantha hand stitch with needle work. It's an all over. See the intricacy of the work. It's very intricate work, fine work. Material easy wrinkle free wash and wear fabric. Length is 2.5 meter and width is 36 inch. And length you can make 45 inch of my set. Okay, now comes one pretty strawberry pink, peach pink. Very nice design. Check the design. The price is 1800. The price is 1800. The price is 1800. Check the color combination. The outlining or highlighting thread color is pink, Rani pink, and the filling color is white. Very nice combination. Okay, price is 1800 and check the sleeve design. Strawberry pink. Material is same, easy wrinkle free material. Now another all over jal design. On onion pink, wrinkle free easy cotton material. The drape of the fabric is very nice. Price is 1600. Price is 1600. This to come in the sleeve. आप पूरा दिन ये कमीज पहन के घूमिए जाइए कहीं पर भी, ये क्रश नहीं होता है. इसके प्लस पॉइंट है, ये क्रश नहीं होता है. पूरा दिन आप इसको पहन के आराम से, और इतने कंफर्टेबल है. आप जब यूज करोगे तो आप कॉटन पहनना भूल जाओगे, इतना कंफर्टेबल है. चेक द डिजाइन. इट्स ऑल ओवर जल मल्टी कलर थ्रेड एम्ब्रॉयडरी एंड दिस इज द स्लीव design. Now comes one beautiful peacock design. White with turquoise blue thread. Very nice combination. Very traditional. Two peacocks are dancing. Material will be same. Easy wrinkle free material. We prefer dry cleaning. As all are hand stitched, so you have to take care of this material. All are hand embroidery. Check this design. It's a strawberry pink. It's a strawberry pink with multicolor thread embroidery, Katha stitch embroidery. These two portions come in the sleeve. It's a Katha stitch. Price is 1100. The last one, last strawberry pink price is 1100. So today's now last one. It's a white with grey thread embroidery. Very nice combination with folk motif, Madhubani design.
Madhubani.
Check the sleeve design, and the price is 1500. So divas, stay tuned and subscribe our channel for more videos of Katha, exclusive Katha work. Thank you.